Are you talking to your new balloon? What are you saying to your new friend? What? What are you saying? Are you telling your new friend that you love him? You love your new friend? What? What are you saying? Say, give me that balloon. Give me that balloon. Molly. Where's Molly? Where is she? Where is she? Where'd she go? Oh, there she is. Hi, Mouse. Molly, it's Limbo. Or, not Limbo. Yeah. I think that's what it's called. Look at you. You're still playing with the balloon. Worth every penny of the $2. Who needs $75 toys when you can buy a $2 balloon and get just as much enjoyment?